Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete Facebook page. So this is a very easy tutorial. You just have to open your Facebook page and then tap your profile. Here you will see settings and privacy. So click this one and then tap settings. Now wait as it is loading. Go to the left panel or left side. Scroll down till you see this access and control. Access and control is actually under your information. So you have to scroll down and click this access and control here. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is loading, and you will see this deactivating or deleting your Facebook account. So if you want to delete, all you have to do is to click the second option here, which is delete page. And then after that, you have to click this continue button, and then they will let you download your information or transfer a copy of your information. So just have to click download info, transfer info, and then after that, click continue. And then here you have to enter your password. Once that, click continue. And then to confirm permanent page deletion, you just have to click this continue button. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.